I'm Manny Field with Field Guide to DIY. Have you ever used JB Weld Clearweld? If you have, what have your results been? Be sure and leave that in the comments below. We're trying it out today for the first time. Today we have a very delicate Christmas ornament that needs repair. We're going to try it out. Let's dive in. Remove the cap and squeeze the syringe. Because of the syringe, it comes out evenly. Now always draw back just a little bit of air. Step 2, mix it up. If you've ever mixed concrete, I figure it's a lot like that, where you pull and poke to get it all mixed in thoroughly. Once it's all mixed in thoroughly, it's time to apply. At this stage, be thinking how you're going to let it set. It says it's quick setting epoxy in 5 minutes. We're going to let that set and cure. We'll check back in later. Well, it says it has a 5-minute set time. We gave it 6 hours cure time. Let's see how it turned out. JB Weld Clearweld. Not bad. For more tips and suggestions, click the image on your screen now.